Next, we're going to solve this simultaneous equation. Equation 1 is a linear equation. Equation 2 is equation of a circle. Whenever you draw a line, that means you want to apply elimination method. However, only substitution method will work pretty fine solving this problem. Step number 1, consider the linear equation, which is from equation 1, where we have that x plus 2y is 3. Next, I will make x the subject. X will now be 3 minus 2y, and this becomes equation 3. Next, we substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Remember, do not substitute an equation back to itself or where you got it from. In equation 2, next, x has a value which is squared, and we have plus y squared equals 5. The value for x is 3 minus 2y from equation 3. Here, 3 minus 2y is 2. We're going to have 3 minus 2y in brackets, 3 minus 2y in brackets, then plus y squared is 5. We're going to expand this bracket. 3 multiplied by 3, you will have 9. Next, 3 will multiply minus 2y, you will have minus 6y. Next, minus 2 multiply by 3, you will have minus 6y. Next, minus 2y multiply minus 2y, you will have plus 4y squared, and we have plus y squared is 5. Next, we are going to have 9 minus 6y minus 6y will give you minus 12y. 4y squared plus y squared will give you plus 5y squared. On the other side, we have 5. Next, we are going to move 5 over to the other side, and we are going to have 9 minus 12y plus 5y squared minus 5 is 0. We rearrange to have 5y squared minus 12y plus 9 minus 5 is 0. Here we're going to have 5y squared minus 12y plus 4 is 0. We now have a quadratic equation. To solve this, use any quadratic equation method of your choice. This is factorizable. I will use the factor method. What I will do is I will use 5 to multiply 4. 5 times 4 will give me 20. Next, I will think of two numbers. If I multiply these two numbers, I'm going to get 20. But if I add the two numbers, I will get a replacement of minus 12 here at the middle. What are the two numbers? The two numbers are minus 10 and minus 2. Minus 10 multiply minus 2 will give you 20. And minus 10 plus minus 2 will give you minus 12. That is, minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. Hence, instead of minus 12, I will replace it with what? Minus 12y minus 2y. Now, this is our new equation. Next, I will take it in pairs. What is common on both sides of this? Next, what is common between 5y squared and 10y? You see, we have 5y. I'll open a bracket. What will I multiply so that I will get 5y squared? It is y. This minus will return. What will I multiply so that I will get 10y? It is 2. Next, I will open a bracket, copy whatever it is here, and paste. Is equal 0. Next, what will I put here? So that if I multiply it with this y, I will get the third term. It is minus 2. Minus 2 times y will give you minus 2y. And minus 2 times minus 2 will give you plus 4. Next, we are going to take one of these brackets because they must be the same. So that I will have y minus 2 in bracket, and anything that is outside the bracket, which is 5y minus 2. This is equal 0. Next, I will have that y minus 2 is 0 for this, and I will have 5y minus 2 is 0. Here, y is 2. I've gotten the first y, which is y1. Next, 5y is 2, and y is 2 over 5. I've gotten the next y, which is y2. Remember, the question is having a squared in equation 2. So we are going to have 2 answers. Next, I will substitute y equals 2 into equation 3 to get x1 for y1. Afterwards, I will now substitute y equals 2 over 5 for y2 to get another answer for x2. That means, as I've obtained 2 answers for y, I will get 2 answers for x. Remember, I used the factor method or quadratic equation to solve this. You can use the formula method and you are going to get the same answer. To use the formula method of quadratic, we have divide at the numerator. We're going to have minus b, then plus and minus. Let's start with plus, then square root. Inside the square root, we're going to have b squared, then minus 4 multiply by a multiply by c. Next, at the denominator, we have 2 multiply by a. At the numerator, b is minus 12, and inside the square root, b is minus 12 squared, then 4 will multiply a. Our a is 5 and our c is 4. At the denominator, our a is 5. If you substitute correctly and press the equal sign, you are going to get your y1 to be 2 for the plus operator. Next, before the square root, we're going to remove the plus, and now is the turn for the minus, and we're going to press the equal sign, and you can see that our second value for y, which is y2, is 2 over 5. Next, to find x in equation 3, where x is 3 minus 2y, we're going to have that x1 will become 3 minus 2y1. We're going to have that x1 is 3 minus 2. y1, we obtain y1 to be 2. x1 will become 3 minus 4. And x1 will be minus 1. When y1 is 2. Next, still on equation 3, where x is 3 minus 2y. We're going to find x2 when y2 is 2 over 5. And we're going to have that x2 is 3 minus 2 times 2 is 4 over 5. This 3 is like over 1. Next, 5 multiplied by 3, we are going to have 15. There is a minus. Next, 1 will multiply 4, and you are going to get 4. Next, at the denominator, 1 will multiply 5, and you are going to get 5. X2 is now 15 minus 4 is 11, and at the denominator we have 5. X2 is 11 over 5. Y2 is 2 over 5. Next, we are going to test these answers in the given simultaneous equation, where equation 1 is a linear equation and equation 2 is equation of a circle. And for equation 1, which is a linear equation, we are going to get 3. And for equation 2, which is the equation of a circle, we are going to get 5. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video lesson.